guys, it's the Macintosh Guide, and today we're going to be unboxing my brand new Nintendo Switch OLED model. Now, I've never owned any Nintendo product in the past, so this will be my first Nintendo product ever, and it's the Nintendo Switch OLED model, as you can see. And I've also picked up a couple of games as well. So I've actually picked up a SD card, which is a 256 gig model, Mario 3D World Bowser's Fury, Luigi Mansion 3, Zelda Breath of the Wild. Now this is the one I'm looking forward to playing. Grand Theft Auto the Trilogy. I've played these when I was younger. Can't wait to get back on it. Not been hearing some great reviews, but guys, I still wanted to play it. And last but not least, we've got Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. So to just show you guys, as you can tell, it's a Nintendo Switch OLED. Some information on the sides, a bit at the back, as you can see, and just another bit of information on the other side. So if we get into unboxing it, just need to pull this tab, and we're pretty much there, guys. So as you can see, there is two of the Joy-Cons. I went for the color model, so I've got a orangey, peachy type of color, whatever this is, and a blue controller. And we've got the Nintendo Switch OLED right here. Let's just check if there's anything else in the packaging. I believe there should be the charger and some of the cables and the dock. So it seems like we have the power adapter right here, right over here, and we also have a HDMI cable as well. There seems to be some other stuff in here as well, guys. What is this? Let's have a look. This seems to be, oh okay, it's like a controller type of thing. It's pretty cool. Let's just put that away on the side. And we've got I believe these are some sort of locking in mechanisms, I guess, to make sure that you don't throw your Switch across the living room. And then we have got the dock right here as well. So that's pretty interesting as well, guys. So let me just put some of the stuff away, and then we'll look into starting the Nintendo Switch up, guys. So let's just get the Nintendo Switch out of its packaging, and guys, it does look very, very beautiful. Now if I turn it on, you can see the Nintendo logo right here. And it's telling me to connect the Joy-Con. So let me connect the Joy-Cons up, guys, and then we shall proceed ahead. And there you go, guys. I've got the Joy-Cons connected, so you can tell it's working absolutely fine. So let's just go through the setup process. English. I'm in Europe. Please read the information. Yep, sure, I've read that. And it's just going to be asking for Wi-Fi. So let me just connect to my Wi-Fi, and then I'll get back to you guys. Just now going to be selecting the country. I am not going to be connecting it to a TV. Detaching Joy-Cons. Detach Joy-Cons. Do not press any additional buttons when detaching. Press on the release button to controllers. Do I need to do this now? Guys, just a bit of an interesting one. On the back, as I was saying, on the back of the Joy-Con, you just need to press this button and it will release, and then you just need to slide it up. So pretty cool that you just need to release the Joy-Cons. I remember at the beginning when the Nintendo Switch came out a few years ago, there were problems where they would get stuck and you just couldn't get them out. But yeah, I believe Nintendo's probably fixed this now. So let's just continue with the rest of the setup. Now we're just setting it up without needing the Joy-Con. So it's saying press A to continue, which we are. Use the controller with Joy-Con controls attached or choose the control size you prefer. Cool. And it says user will be added to the console. Press next and select how you would like to add a user. So I don't have a Nintendo Switch console, so I'm going to create a new user. And let's select, let's see which ones there are. Oh, you can create your own as well. What's the own one? Character made background. Let's just go back. Let's just go for one of the default ones. Here we go. Let's just go for this one. And then let's just add my name. So I'll do this, guys, and then I'll come back. So now that we've gone through the user phase, it's just telling us that you can do parental controls. So press OK. And it says setup complete. Now you can press the home button on the Joy-Con. So there's the home button. And we are now in the Nintendo Switch interface, guys. So it's pretty cool. It seems like there's nothing obviously on it. I don't obviously have the Nintendo Switch Online, which I do plan on getting. You can see a bunch of news. Let's just click on some of the stuff so you can go through. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's gonna take me a bit of a while to get used to the Nintendo Switch, but yeah, guys, it's just a real quick video, in all honesty, about me buying my new Nintendo Switch. Now I will be doing a follow-up video where I'll be playing some of the games. Also to show you the Nintendo Switch, guys, so it has a USB-C port right here. Obviously you've got your left and right Joy-Cons. It's obviously an OLED model. You can see that it says Nintendo Switch right at the back. This was the button I was referring to earlier, that you can remove your Joy-Cons. And guys, it also comes with a neat little stand on the back of the Nintendo Switch. So I never knew about this. But you can literally just raise it like that. So it's pretty cool, guys. Thank you for watching, and yeah, make sure you watch the next follow-up video to this. But if you like the video, guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.